Hi, good day. Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe my TikTok page. Thank you so much.
Hello students, happy learning. So with that, our objectives of the lesson. First, describe the different scales in measuring temperature. We have the Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. Second, convert the units of temperature by using the Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. And last, convert the units of time. Ito po yung kailangan natin matutunan or ma-master this week. So with that, let's start on conversion units of temperature. But before that, what is temperature? When we say temperature, is the measurement of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object or a substance. And the device used to measure the temperature is the thermometer. And we are going to determine the degree. Ano ba yung mga degree niya? Pwede siyang very hot, hot, warm, cool, or cold. So we have the types of thermometer. No, we have the digitized thermometer. Okay, so and then we also have the different scales are commonly used to measure temperature. Una dyan yung ating Fahrenheit expressed as degree Fahrenheit. Second, we have the Celsius or degrees Celsius, and that is the Kelvin. Take note, the Fahrenheit and Kelvin are the units of temperature wherein it is used internationally. While yung Celsius naman, ito po yung base unit sa metric. Remember? So with that, we are going to discuss first the scale used to measure temperature. Meron tayong Celsius to Fahrenheit. Ito yung ginagamit kung saan kino-convert natin yung given na Celsius going to Fahrenheit. Ano yung formula natin dyan? Okay, ibig sabihin niyan, kapag given yung Celsius, i-multiply mo lang siya by 9/5, yung product doon, i-add mo siya ng 32. Yan po yung magiging sagot mo doon sa Fahrenheit. Kapag naman, i-convert mo yung Fahrenheit to Celsius, ito yung naman po yung formula natin. Meaning to say, yung Fahrenheit, subtract mo by 32, then yung difference, multiply by 5 divided by 9. Yan po yung degree Celsius niya. Okay, we also have the Celsius to Kelvin. Ibig sabihin niyan, kapag given yung Celsius, gagawin ng Kelvin, magpa-plus ka lang ng 273. Okay, and kapag naman given ng Kelvin, gagawin mo siyang Celsius, you also have to subtract. I-reverse mo lang itong Celsius to Kelvin. Since nag-plus ka dito ay iso-subtract mo. Okay? So, we also have the formula to find the Kelvin. Meaning to say, from Fahrenheit, convert to Kelvin. Kung makikita natin dito, wala tayong formula dito na from Fahrenheit to Kelvin or Kelvin to Fahrenheit. Kaya nga ito yung formula natin. So, to find the Kelvin, just simply, given yung Fahrenheit, subtract mo ng 32, yung difference, multiply mo by 5, then divide by 9. Then, yung answer doon, i-add mo by 273. Yan lang yung Kelvin mo. Okay. And kapag naman Kelvin, ang given, gagawin mong Fahrenheit, ang formula naman natin dyan, yung given Kelvin, subtract mo siya ng 273, then yung sagot mo doon, multiply mo by 9, divide by 5, then add by 32. Yan ngayon yung magiging Fahrenheit mo. Okay, let's apply. So, but before that, let's summarize the given temperature of an object. We have the units, Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. So first, temperature for a boiling point of water. Okay, di ba pag nagpakulo tayo ng tubig, ilan degrees Celsius kaya siya? Okay, ibig sabihin that is 100 degrees Celsius. Ano naman yung katumbas niya sa Fahrenheit? Okay, that is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, ang katumbas naman niya, yung boiling point of water sa Kelvin, kapag nasa ibang bansa tayo, that is 373 Kelvin. Okay, and paano naman yung freezing point of water? Okay, so eto naman yung ating, yan, di ba? Pag gumawa tayo ng yelo at nilagay natin sa freezer, that is 0 degrees Celsius siya. Okay, ang katumbas naman niya sa Fahrenheit, that is 32 degrees. That is freezing point. Okay, ibig sabihin from liquid to solid yan. Okay, and yung Kelvin naman, that is 273 Kelvin. Okay? Kaya kapag nasa ibang bansa tayo, alam natin kung paano i-convert para malaman natin yung degree ng isang object, or that is the temperature. Okay, and we also have the normal human body temperature. Okay, di ba pag kinuhanan tayo ng temperature kapag tayo lumalabas. So meaning to say, ang Celsius natin, that is the normal body temperature, is 37 degrees Celsius. Ang katumbas nito sa Fahrenheit, that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. At yung katumbas naman dito sa Kelvin, that is 310. Okay? So meron tayong mga formula, yung nabanggit natin kanina kung bakit na convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Okay? So first, we are going to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So remember yung ating formula kanina. So number one example natin, convert 28 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, first you are going to write the given. Okay, and then ibig sabihin yan, from Celsius gagawin natin Fahrenheit. Dapat alam natin yung formula. Okay, so meaning to say, given yung Celsius, multiply by 9, divide by 5, then add by 32. Okay, so all you have to do is substitute natin yung given na 28 degrees Celsius. I-replace lang natin dito sa open close parenthesis. Okay, and then the first thing that you're going to do is multiply or divide. Okay, remember the PEMDAS, mauuna yung multiply or divide before add or subtract. Meaning to say, if you are going to multiply this 28 times 9, yung product nila i-divide mo by 5, that is equal to 50.4. Tsaka mo ngayon i-add yung 50.4 tsaka 32. Yan ngayon yung sukat natin sa degree Fahrenheit. That is 82.4. Okay, so meaning to say, in 28 degrees Celsius is equal to 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, let's have number 2. What is temperature of negative 40 degrees in Fahrenheit? So, same pa rin yung ating procedure. Just copy. Okay, so isulat mo lang siya in a symbol. We have negative 40 degrees Celsius equal to 2 degree Fahrenheit. Meaning to say, we are going to copy or write the formula and substitute the given, which is negative 40 degrees. I-replace lang natin dyan sa open close parenthesis. Then, the first thing that you're going to do is multiply negative 40 times 9 divide by 5. Yun ngayon ang ilalagay mo dito sa open close parenthesis. Okay, and that is equal to negative 72. Tsaka mo ngayon i-add by 32. Yan ngayon yung measure sa Fahrenheit. That is equal to negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, di ba, parehas lang yung measure in degrees Celsius sa degree Fahrenheit. So, meaning to say, Celsius and Fahrenheit have equal temperatures at negative 40 degrees. Okay, let's have pa-reverse naman. Fahrenheit, gagawin natin siyang Celsius. Okay, let's have number 1 example. Convert 98.6 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, isulat muna natin sa given natin. That is, and then you are going to write the formula. Remember, so you have to subtract the given by 32. Then, yung difference nun, multiply mo by 5 over 9. Okay? And then you are going to replace or substitute yung given na Fahrenheit dito. That is 98.6. Tsaka mo i-subtract by 32. Okay? So meaning to say, what is the difference of 98.6 minus 32? That is 66.6. Tsaka mo multiply by 5 divided by 9. Yan ngayon yung sagot natin. That is equal to 37 degrees Celsius. Ibig sabihin, this is a normal body temperature of a person. Okay? And let's have number 2. What is temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius? Okay, same pa rin yung procedure natin. I-rewrite lang natin siya, nakasymbol. Meaning to say, you are going to write the formula. Take note yung formula natin, no? And you have to replace the given 212 dito sa ating formula, doon sa F. Okay, that is the Fahrenheit. You are going to replace and unahin mo dyan, i-subtract. Okay, remember, parenthesis first. So meaning to say, what is 212 minus 32? That is equal to 180. Tsaka mo ngayon i-multiply by 5 and then divide by 9. So we have 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, as you recall, di ba, this is a boiling point of water. Okay, meaning to say, 212 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's have Celsius to Kelvin naman siya. Okay, convert natin yung number 1 given 37 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Okay, remember the formula. So, i-rewrite lang muna natin yung given, meaning to say, the formula is simply, i-add lang natin yung 273. Okay, take note, no? Sa iba, nilalagay po yung 0.15. Okay, but we have to round off na lang na whole number. Okay lang naman yon. So, ibig sabihin yan, i-replace mo lang yung given dyan or i-add mo yung given 37 plus 273. Yan ngayon yung magiging Kelvin measure natin or that is 310 Kelvin. Yun yung katumbas ngayon niya 37 degrees Celsius. That is a human normal body temperature. Okay, that's number 2. Convert negative 25 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Okay, same procedure natin. You have to rewrite and then you are going to write the formula. I-add lang natin yung given negative 25 doon sa 273. And you are going to substitute the given negative 25, tsaka mo siya i-add. And that is equal to 248 Kelvin. Yan ngayon yung katumbas ng negative 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's have from Kelvin, i-convert naman natin siya sa Celsius. Okay, ito yung example number 1. Convert 300 Kelvin to Celsius. Okay, so rewrite lang muna natin yung given and then you're going to write the formula. Remember, kung kanina Celsius to Kelvin, nagpa-plus tayo ng 273. Ngayon naman, magma-minus tayo. Okay, kasi papaliitin natin. Okay, and then you are going to replace the given 300 doon sa formula natin, which is Kelvin. That is 300 minus 273. The difference is the measure of the degree Celsius, which is 27 degrees Celsius. Yan ngayon yung katumbas ni 300 Kelvin. Okay, let's have number 2. Convert 273 Kelvin to Celsius. Okay, rewrite muna natin yung given and then write the formula. So all you have to do is i-replace natin yung given na 273 doon sa formula natin. And then you can now subtract. What is 273 minus 273? That is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Remember, 0 degrees Celsius is a freezing point. Yan ngayon yung katumbas niya kapag kinonvert natin sa Kelvin. Yun yung 0 degrees sa Celsius. Okay. Okay, let's have Fahrenheit. I-convert natin siya sa Kelvin. Okay, so first, convert 41 degree Fahrenheit to Kelvin. Ano yung formula natin dyan? Okay, first, rewrite the given and then you are going to write the formula. Ibig sabihin yan, i-replace lang natin yung 41 degrees dito sa formula natin sa F. Okay, and then, unahin mo dyan, you have to subtract. What is 41 minus 32? Kaya siya merong parenthesis dito. Yun yung isusulat natin dyan. That is 9. Tsaka mo ngayon, i-perform yung multiply 9 times 5. Yung sagot doon, i-divide mo by 9. Or actually, pwede mo na siyang i-cancel dito. Kasi 1 na yun times 5 or that is equal to, isusulat natin dyan sa parenthesis, yung 5 na lang. Okay? And then, tsaka mo i-add yung 5 plus 273. Yan ngayon yung measure kapag na-convert na natin sa Kelvin. Meaning to say, 278 is equal to 41 degree Fahrenheit. Yan yung measure niya. Okay, let's have number 2. Convert 98.6 degree Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So, i-rewrite lang muna natin yung given and then you are going to write the formula. Importante, yung formula na ginagamit natin ay yung tama para makuha natin yung tamang sagot. And then you are going to replace or substitute the given 98.6 doon sa formula natin, which is the Fahrenheit. Okay, tsaka mo unahin yung subtract mo yung nasa parenthesis. So what is 98.6 minus 32? Yan ilalagay natin sa parenthesis. And that is equal to 66.6. Tsaka mo ay i-multiply by 5 and then yung product nila i-divide by 9. Yan yung ilalagay natin dyan sa parenthesis. That is equal to 37. Tsaka mo ay i-add by 273. That is equal to 310 Kelvin. Yan ngayon yung katumbas ni 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay? What if the given is Kelvin? I-convert naman natin sa Fahrenheit. Okay? Ito naman yung given natin. Let's convert to 373 Kelvin to Fahrenheit. So first, rewrite the given and then write the formula. Okay, take note of this ha. From Kelvin to Fahrenheit tayo. Kung kanina ay okay, di ba, as you recall, 5 over 9, ito ay 9 over 5 na siya. Kasi Kelvin to Fahrenheit tayo. Okay, and then, i-replace lang natin yung ating given, which is Kelvin, doon sa formula. Yun yung K. Kaya, yan yung ilalagay natin sa parenthesis. And that is 373 minus 273. Okay, yan ngayon ang ilalagay natin sa parenthesis. Meaning to say that is step by step muna, no? And The difference is 100. Yung 100, i-multiply mo by 9, tsaka mo i-divide by 5. That is equal to, yan yung ilalagay sa parenthesis, 180. Tsaka mo ngayon i-add yung 32. What is 180 plus 32? That is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, yan ngayon yung katumbas ni 373 Kelvin. Okay, let's have number 2. Convert 574 Kelvin to Fahrenheit. So first, you're going to rewrite the given, and then write the formula, and then you are going to replace the given 574 doon sa formula natin sa K, which is Kelvin. Tsaka mo ngayon i-subtract yung nasa parenthesis. What is 574 minus 273? Yan po ilalagay natin sa parenthesis. Tsaka mo ngayon, i-multiply yung 301 doon sa 9. Yung product nun, i-divide by 5. And that is, yan, ilalagay natin, that is 541.8. Tsaka mo ngayon i-add yung 32. And that is equal to 573.8 degree Fahrenheit. Yan ngayon yung katumbas or equivalent ni 574 Kelvin. Okay, actually this is, pag ni-round off natin yan, equal lang siya dito, 574. Okay? So, pag ginawa natin whole number yan, they are equal. Okay, so with that, we are going to convert units of time. Okay, define muna natin na what is time. When we say time, this is a sequence of events taking place in succession from past to the present to the future. Okay, and there are different instruments to measure time. Okay, we have this during the primitive times, mga iba't ibang yan, gamit. We have the water clock. Okay, yung water clock, di ba, nilalagay nila sa object and then hihintayin nilang maubos yon. Okay, so doon na nila namin measure yung time. And we also have the sundial. Okay, we also have the sun clock, the compass, the calendar. But today, okay, nasa ano na tayo, no? Okay, technology, or we have the digitized analog digital clock. And there are units of time in both systems. Ano ba yung gagamitin natin para mag-convert of time units? Okay, meron tayo dyan. 1 millisecond is equal to 1,000 microseconds. 1 second is equal to 1,000 milliseconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day, that is approximate 24 hours. 1 month, 30 days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Okay, minsan di ba na pag nagkakaroon tayo ng leap year, 365 and 1/4. And that is 1 banking year, 360 days. 1 decade, 10 years. 1 score is equal to 20 years. 1 millennium, 1,000 years. And 1 week, that is 7 days. Yan ngayon yung kailangan natin para makapag-convert from different units of time. Okay, let's have number 1. Convert each indicated unit. How many minutes are there in 4.5 hours? Okay, first you're going to rewrite the given. Di ba? Yung 4.5, 4.5 hours yon. Is equal to how many minutes kaya siya? So, meaning to say, you are going to write into the dimensional analysis. Meaning to say, i-multiply natin yung given doon sa kanyang unit fraction. Ano ba yung kailangan natin i-apply na conversion factor? So, ibig sabihin yung may hours at may minutes. So, we are going to use the 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. But take note, kapag ginawa natin siyang fraction, yung kanyang denominator unit the same do sa given para ma-cancel natin siya kasi hinanap yung minutes. Okay, meaning to say cancel the same unit and you are going to multiply 4.5 times 60. Yan ngayon yung number of minutes. That is 270 minutes is equal to 4.5 hours. Okay, let's have number 2. How many seconds are there in 3 hours? So, i-rewrite muna natin. Okay? And then you are going to, okay, write the dimensional analysis. But take note, from hours, gagawin natin seconds. Ibig sabihin niyan, dalawa ang gagamitin natin conversion factor kasi hindi siya pwede idiretso from hours to seconds. Alin kaya dyan ang ating gagamitin? Okay, ang una, kailangan nyo merong oras. Kasi yung oras, papunta tayo sa seconds. So kaya ang una natin gagamitin dyan yung 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Tsaka, pag nakuha na natin yung minutes na yan, tsaka natin kukunin yung isa pa, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, kasi kailangan makonect natin. to come up with the seconds. So, una, i-rewrite natin, but take note the unit fraction, yung denominator unit, same sa given, that is hour, para makancel mamaya. And yung 60 seconds over 1 minute, para makancel yung minute dyan. Okay? Kasi pag nagkabaliktad ka ng pagkakalagay ng fraction mo, hindi mo makakancel yung unit. Kaya mag-iiba yung sagot natin. Kaya you have to be very observant. And then you're going to cancel the same unit hour, also the same unit minute. And then, yung natira dyan, i-multiply mo na lang siya. Yung 3 times 60, that is 180 times 860. Okay, that is equal to 10,800 seconds. Yan ngayon yung katumbas ni 3 hours. Okay, let's have number 3. How many days are there in 720 hours? Okay, so i-rewrite muna natin yung events. So and then, okay, isusulat natin siya sa dimensional analysis. From hours, gagawin natin siyang days. So meaning to say, ano yung ating gagamitin conversion factor? Kailangan nyo may oras. That is, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Pwede siyang directly, isang conversion factor lang. And we are going to write in a fraction form, but take note the unit fraction, yung kanyang denominator unit pares dapat sa given. And that is cancel yung hours, same unit. And then yung natira dyan, i-multiply mo na lang. 720 times 1, 720 pa rin yun. Divide by 24. That is equal to 30. Kaya 30 days is equal to 720 hours. Okay, let's have number 4. How many weeks are there in 672 hours? So, okay, ibig sabihin yan from hours, gagawin natin weeks. So, kaya write the given first, then you are going to write into the dimensional analysis. And take note, hindi siya pwede i-direct no, na from hours to weeks, kaya dalawang gagawin natin conversion factor. Kailangan yung una dyan yung may hours, and then from hours, pupunta tayo sa weeks. Kaya ang gagamitin natin dyan is 1 day is equal to 24 hours, and then from that, makukuha na natin si day. And then yung day, pupunta tayo doon sa 1 week is equal to 7 days para makuha natin yung weeks. Kaya isusulat na natin yung ating conversion factor. 1 day over 24 hours para makancel yung hours, same unit. Also yung ating 1 week over 7 days para makancel yung day. Then you can now cancel the same unit. Matitira lang yung week dyan. Okay? And then yung natira dyan, multiply mo na lang. 672 times 1 times 1, 672 pa rin yun. And multiply mo yung natirang number sa denominator, 24 times 7, that is equal to 168. Tsaka mo yung i-divide. What is the quotient of this? That is 4. Meaning to say, in 4 weeks, there are 672 hours. Okay, so with that, let's test your understanding about temperature. Number 1. Convert 37 to degrees Kelvin. Okay, the correct answer is letter D, 310 Kelvin. Okay, let's number 2. Convert 20 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, the answer is the letter C, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's have number 3. Convert 95 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. Timer starts. The correct answer is letter D, 35 degrees Celsius. Let's have number 4. Convert 373 Kelvin to Fahrenheit. Starts. Okay, the correct answer is the letter A, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's have number 5. How many days are there in 36 hours? Timer starts. Okay, that is letter B, 1.5 days. Okay, so next question, number 6. How many minutes are there in 3 days? Timer starts. That is letter A, 4,320 minutes. Okay, next, number 7. How many months are there in 2 decades? Timer starts. That is letter D, 240 months. So with that, I hope you learned something about this conversion of time and temperature.